with the mesocarp. Fleshy mesocarp will be present. That is only hard stony endocarp is present. One single seeded. Some text that is mentioned that even seeds are 1 to 2 in number also. So this is unripened condition of the fruits. During unripened condition, fruits are green in color, and that is drooping. A type of fruit is droop. So this is somewhat ripening fruit, gambari. It becomes yellowish orange, the fruits. So here you can say ripened fruits of gambari. Somewhat globose are piriform in shape. So this is the ripened fruits of gambari. So draksha, kashmariya, and parushaka. Draksha, kashmariya, parushaka. Combination of these three fruits, they used to call it as swalpatriphala. Even the gambari, the phala, they used to consider as a substitute for draksha. If draksha is not available, so you can collect gambari phala. You can advise, or you can substitute, or you can, while preparing the medicines, if you are not getting the draksha fruit, so you can use gambari phala. So inflorescence is panicle inflorescence. That you can say panicle cyme inflorescence. Panicle cyme inflorescence, because three flowers they used to develop on the main peduncle. So based on that, they used to say panicle cyme inflorescence, and the flowers are brownish yellow in color. The flowers are brownish yellow in color. That is zygomorphic. Only in one plane you will get the equal halves, not in any directions. In one direction you will get only the equal halves. That is zygomorphic, complete. So all the four whorls, that is calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. So all the four whorls are present and bisexual. And the color of the flowers is brownish yellow. The inflorescence is panicle cyme inflorescence. Okay. Next we'll move to the fruit. Type of fruit is drupe. Type of fruit is drupe, and the shape of the fruit is ovoid. Shape of the fruit is, you can say, ovoid, or sometimes even you can find the globose also. Size of the fruit is 2 to 2.5 centimeter length. 2 to 2.5 centimeter length, and around about 2 centimeter in diameter also. The diameter of the fruit is around about 2 centimeter, and the color of the fruit is orange yellow when ripen. When it is ripen, it becomes orange yellow, but when it becomes dry, it becomes black color. When it becomes dry, it becomes black and shrunken. When it becomes dry, it is shrunken and becomes black color. And habitat is throughout India. It is the plant is cultivated. Even in the outer Himalaya, up to 3,000 feet height, we are getting this plant. But this gambari, it is a native of Pakistan, Bhutan, and India. It's a native plant in Pakistan, Bhutan, and India. So we are getting this plant. It is naturally available in these areas. Based on the availability, we used to say the synonym like Kashmariya, Kashmiri, Kashmiri. That is, it denotes it is mainly available. The natural source, you can say, in the Himalayan region. That is, you can say in the Kashmir. So in these areas, the plant gambari is naturally available. So some of the active principles of the chemical composition, or you can say the phytoconstituents of gambari. The root contains melinol, that is GMELINOL, melinol, beta cetosterol, sesquiterpenes, melinol, beta cetosterol, sesquiterpenes. So these are some of the active principles which are present in root. In leaves, luteolin, 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 quercetin, 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 and epigenin. So these are some of the active principles which are found in leaves. Okay. Next, we'll move to the Rasapanchaka, that is pharmacodynamics. So here, as Sarvato Badraha, that is almost the whole plant we are using. That is, it may be a root, root bark, even the fruits, inflorescence, there is the flowers, even the leaves. So we're getting the information since from the classical textbook about its pharmacodynamics, especially in the Kayadeva Nigantu and in Raja Nigantu, we're getting the pharmacodynamics of even the flowers and the leaves also we're getting. But mainly here I am highlighting about the root and the fruits. The roots of Gambhari is having Tikta Kashaya Madhura Rasa. Tikta Kashaya Madhura Rasa. Guna is